Yo, exclusive bars, man. Niggas ain't fucking with me. After this rap, man, I gotta sit it down for a few months, cause I was fucking with this white bitch. She had me on video giving her some white shit. I'ma be back. Real talk, man. I don't just be rapping, man. I just do this shit, man. I done robbed niggas, I done got robbed, I done seen stacks, I done lost stacks, whatever, fuck with me. Yo, I took a lot of losses, my life got crazy. Scars for the proof, look at what the streets made. I told my cousin that I'ma stay focused, and the next nigga try me, gon' get his ass roasted. It's so cool, that's how I try to keep it. But niggas wanna take my coolness for a weakness. I pay my dues, I passed her a test. I'm a certified nigga, trap star in the flesh. This a cold sport, I ain't never wild out, but a few niggas played me and got fouled out. In these streets, I done seen so much grief. I used to have nightmares, I couldn't even sleep. I fed niggas when they was starving, let them eat. Got a nice track record, had a few fucking streams. All I'm saying is niggas can't fuck with me, and Richmond gon' be on the map, man, because I'm too real, nigga, on just rap. Nigga, I really dove head first in the trap. Nigga, I really hit dime chicks from the back. Nigga, I really put rubber bands on stack. Nigga, I'm too real, cause I don't just rap. Nigga, I really dove head first in the trap. Nigga, I really hit dime chicks from the back. Nigga, I really put rubber bands on stack. Yo, I wanted to go to school, I ain't wanna grind, but 3 G's in 2 nights changed the nigga mind. Cause to me, having a job whack, getting paid every week, nah, I like getting stacks. And my girl, she know she ain't fucking with a clown. She wanna get pregnant, wanna tie a nigga down. I love her to death, but I'm trying to get paid. Fuck having a kid, man, a baby in the way. I think she pregnant now, for me, that's heavy. She telling me I got 9 months to get ready, but ain't shit gon' change, shit gon' get worse. And in the long run, her ass gon' get hurt. Swear up and down, I'ma be with her forever. I dump her in her eyes, we still together. Look, I don't know, I'm just spitting what I feel. You gotta feel this shit, cause I'm just being real. I'm too real, nigga, I don't just rap. Nigga, I really dove head first in the trap. Nigga, I really hit dime chicks from the back. Nigga, I really put rubber bands on stack. Nigga, I'm too real, cause I don't just rap. Nigga, I really dove head first in the trap. Nigga, I really hit dime chicks from the back. Nigga, I really put rubber bands on stack. Yo, I got a nice aim with the 50 cal. With no scope, 50 feet, I can flip a cow. Man, niggas know how a nigga live. If not, let me tell you some shit that we done did. Beef with a nigga, ran in his crib, waited at the bus stop and gave a note to his kids. Read up, put the work in the fridge. Grind for 12 months, ain't working a year. Holler at a girl, fuck her in the same day. Look, every day of the week straight get laid. Be with a stripper that charge niggas for the slave. Man, I was crushing her ass and I ain't never paid. Break all the commandments, I ain't never pray. One night stand, smash them, I ain't never stay. Look in the kitchen, I'm a beast with the pots. With the 16 bars, let me tell you, I'm too real, nigga, I don't just rap. Nigga, I really dove head first in the trap. Nigga, I really hit dime chicks from the back. Nigga, I really put rubber bands on stack. Nigga, I'm too real, cause I don't just rap. Nigga, I really dove head first in the trap. Nigga, I really hit dime chicks from the back. Nigga, I really put rubber bands on stack.